2x plus y is less than or equal to 5. And then we have x plus 2y is less than or equal to 5. We know that this is going to be a solid line because of the less than or equal to, and this is also going to be a solid line. I'm going to put these in slope-intercept form. So if I take the first equation and I write it in slope-intercept form, it's going to be y is less than or equal to negative 2x plus 5. And if I take the second equation and I put it into slope-intercept form, it's going to be y is less than or equal to negative 1/2 x plus 5 over 2. So far, so good. So now, this is our system here. Let's find the x-intercept, because we need 2 points. And our y-intercept, you only need 2 points to graph draw the graph of the lines. Okay, so this is going to be for, this will be for 2x plus y, and I'll go ahead and say equals 5. Okay, and then we'll do it for the other equation. All right, cool beans. Okay, so to find the x-intercept, we set y equal to 0 and solve for x. So we end up with, this is going to be 0, right? So then we have 2x equals 5. We're going to divide both sides by 2, and we end up with x is equal to 5/2. So when y is 0, x is 5/2. So that's 1 point. And then same thing over here to find the y-intercept. We set x equal to 0 and then solve for y, right? So that's going to be 2. The x is 0 this time. So we have 0 plus y equals 5. So we got y equals 5. That was very easy. So when x is 0, y is 5. So we have, these are our points for this line. So now let's find our points for this second line. So again, we have x plus 2y equals 5. X plus 2y equals 5. On this side, we need the y to be 0. Okay, so then we end up with x plus 0 equals 5. So x equals 5. So that's the x-intercept for that equation. And then over here, we need the x to be 0. So then we have 0 plus 2y equals 5. So 2y equals 5. And then we're going to divide both sides by 2. And we end up with y is equal to 5/2. So when x is 0, y is 5/2. These points will help us draw that graph, and then these points will help us draw that graph. So far, so good. Oh, test points. I'll show you how we did the test points so that we know which side of the graph to shade on. Let's try 0, 0. Okay, so 2x plus y is less than or equal to 5, and our green equation was x plus 2y is less than or equal to 5. So if I do 0, 0, that's going to be 2 times 0 plus 0 is less than or equal to 5. Is 0, you see that? 0, that becomes 0. So your question is 0 less than or equal to 5? It works for that. Let's see if it works for this equation over here. So then you're going to have 0. Yeah, so 0, 0. So is 0 less than or equal to 5? It checks. Shade on the side where both lines where 0, 0 is located. So if we look at this one, you'll notice that here's our x-intercept, y-intercept, x-intercept, y-intercept, the blue line, and the green line. You have all these different points that you can test. Just make sure that they work for both equations before you say this is where my solution is. So when it's one inequality, it has to work for that one inequality. But when it's a system, your solutions have to work for the entire system.